Ladies and gentlemen, the big update is here. And guys, get ready for this because you will love it. As we all know, guys, we are using this indicator while learning the lessons in this page and then taking actions while learning. This is very important. And I understood that most of you guys have questions and you just don't have any answers because you don't know yet how to do it. All right? But now with this new update, we have a big thing coming. Now, if you are watching a lesson like this one and you're struggling to understand because maybe English is not your first language, you can easily go, as you can see right here, you need help and speak directly to an AI assistant that will explain to you the part of the video you didn't understand. I am not telling you to skip through the videos and not watch them and go straight up to the AI, but I'm telling you to watch the videos and then talk to the AI to clarify anything in your chosen language, English, French, Portuguese, and a lot more of languages. So let's run a quick test. So right now I'm on a call and I'm going to start speaking with it.
Hello, let me know if you have any question about the indicator.
Hello. Yes, I would like to understand better about the market direction. Why is the market direction important?
The truth behind the market direction is about understanding that when I say the market is going up or down, it doesn't mean the price will move in a straight line. The market never does that. Instead, the market moves in waves. It pushes higher, then pulls back, then goes higher again. Many traders make the mistake of expecting a perfect move, panic at the first pullback, and exit too early, right before the market actually continues in the predicted direction.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I think I've got everything I need. And now, guys, let's simply go through the videos and you will understand that each lesson has its own AI that will explain to you. So this is the second lesson, which I speak on why people lose. Why are some of you guys losing? Hello.
Hello there. I understand you've watched the lesson. This is why you are losing. It's a tough one, but it's important. What specifically are you hoping to clarify or discuss about the lesson?
So as you can see, guys, this is a very big update that will be helping you. And don't worry, we are not finished yet. We will soon have an AI that will help you through your trading journey, meaning that it will literally tell you the best thing to do. And you can ask the questions in general and the AI will be able to answer it for you regardless of the lesson. Even if you speak about the lesson number 10, the AI will still remember about the lesson and it will let you know what to do and it will explain it to you better. Right now, we are not finished yet. We have a couple of lessons to add in as well so that you can ask questions. But right now, as I speak, most of them, they are already working and you can literally go right now and speak to your bot and your bot will be here to explain to you in any language. So guys, to everyone, the big update is here and we're not finished yet because we are still working on the update on the indicator, which is taking a lot more time because it's harder to do. But this is already cost us over 10,000 euros to make it. So enjoy it, talk with it every single time you need help and it will be here for you guys. This is something that we never seen any other course doing. This is just game changing. You will have an assistant forever, anytime, any moment you want to understand something, you speak to it and the assistant will be here to help you. And soon we will have something similar for the indicator.